Good morning from Portimao, Portugal. This is the office space where Nelly and I have been working for the last 2 weeks. We've been sort of posted up here in Portimao to try and get some life maintenance done and get caught up on past work and editing, leading into a few assignments that are coming up for both of us. It's also been an opportunity for me to sort of dive deeper into my business and try to evolve the way that I go about making money and try to evolve the content on this channel. And I think you saw a nice example of that 2 videos back with the Time for Change. And I was inspired over the last month at a couple different conferences by other creators to look at ways to engage differently with you guys, with the viewers from all over the world, the people who are genuinely interested in video creation, in YouTube, in landscape photography, in adventure travel. And this is sort of my big announcement and the chance to do that, to share with you something unique and something very different, and a first for Snell Media and a first for sharing this style of content on the channel. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. I am very happy to announce the launch of my first ever online video course today, Sunday, March 31st. The Introduction to YouTube for Video Creators is live. It is hosted on Teachable, which is a web platform where you can develop course curriculums and your own sort of school where students are able to enroll to your course and complete your online course via the Teachable platform. It's very, very simple and was probably the most highly recommended platform online for me to host this video course. So I've set it all up on Teachable, and you can see sort of the detail of the course on the main page, which I will link in the description of this video. It's very, very easy to follow. I've got an introduction video, which is about 4 minutes in length, which gives you all of sort of the details of what we're gonna cover in the course, just like a general overview. And it's 4 minutes because we cover a lot. The course is, I think it's around an hour of video in total, maybe less actually. There's 30 videos and all the time codes of the videos can be seen in the sections of the course on that Teachable page. There's 6 sections in total, and we really dive into what I believe are the tips and the knowledge and the tools and the examples of things that will be highly beneficial for anybody who's a video creator who is looking to create a channel and community on YouTube. So all that information is there, and I'm very excited to announce here on this channel in this video that we have partnered with Epidemic Sound, which is an online platform for music licensing for YouTube creators mostly, and other businesses as well, but they've become extremely popular with YouTube creators because they provide a huge library of license-free music that you can use royalty-free in your videos. Now, Epidemic Sound normally has a 1-month free trial when you sign up, but they've given me a special discount code to offer you 3 free months. That's 3 months, 2 on top of the normal 1 month, which is absolutely amazing. To have 3 free months of as many downloads as you can use for your videos is just incredible. So be sure to check that out. That is a free sign up via my affiliate link, which is on that homepage of the Introduction to YouTube for Video Creators. You don't have to buy the course. You can just totally click that link, use my discount code, and you've got 3 free months of Epidemic Sound, which is incredible. Now, to sort of partner with that, I wanted to offer the first 2 weeks of an extreme discount across all of the different rewards that I've sort of tied together with the course. So you've got the full course as is standalone right now at 29 euros, which is definitely an extreme discount from what I'm hoping to sell it for 2 weeks from now. So from March 31st today until April 15th, we've got the course discounted at 29 euros, and then all of the other rewards also on discount at extreme amounts. So go and check those out, see what works for you. I've added a couple of really interesting rewards that I think will be a additional use for those who are looking to create their own channel and community on YouTube, and that includes my personal sound effects library. So I've been building this library for probably 4 years of different sound effects. We've got city noises, nature noises, and then miscellaneous, and there's over 150 different sound effects that I've collected and named, and they're all organized. and I'm going to be providing that whole library as part of some of the courses if you wish to purchase that. So that's really, really cool. I'm excited to share that with you guys. And then there's a couple of extra fun rewards and ways to integrate your new success on YouTube with this channel, with my audience, as well as with me personally. So I know a lot of you that watch this already know that we do a lot of adventure tours all over the world and different workshops, and I'm partnered with Brendan Van Son for that, which is just fantastic. It's such a great experience for me as an ex-tour leader to be able to take those skills and put them towards landscape photography and video production in the field. So that's also a part of one of the rewards, so be sure to go and check that out as well. And yeah, it's just all really exciting. It's fun times to share with you these changes in my business. And I want to dive even deeper in this video, so I hope I've still got your attention, because as I think many of you know, this is my main stills camera, the Canon 5D Mark III, and it has taken an absolute beating. I've had this since 2014, 5 years. It's got almost probably 200,000 clicks. And it's still working really, really well, but I've decided, in the last sort of few months that it's time for me to upgrade. I know I've been hinting on that on the channel here in different videos, and with the whole full frame mirrorless world starting to evolve and change, I need to jump into the deep end of that pool. So what I've decided is that with the proceeds of this course, especially within the first 2 weeks, if I'm able to generate enough interest and make enough sales, I think what I'm gonna do is take that first amount of profit that I make off of this course to buy a new camera. So if you are interested in checking out my online course and supporting it for the great price right now of only 29 euros, you will be effectively helping me get a new stills camera, which would be huge because this guy has got to go. And it still works great. It's just getting really beefy and heavy, and yeah, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that yet. I've got a couple of fun ideas of potential giveaways or ways to incorporate the 5D into future videos, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, the idea with this course is to generate a different line of income and revenue for my business, and to share my knowledge and sort of monetize that knowledge with the people who really care to learn that knowledge and can take those tips and those tools and those tricks and the examples of real-time benefits to growing your audience and channel on YouTube and put it into action on your own channel for the videos that you create. That's what this is all about. So I want to be able to offer you that, which I've done on this course. So very exciting times, the introduction to YouTube for video creators. Be sure to check it out in the link below. Get your Epidemic Sound subscription and start creating videos and share them with me. In the next week, I'll be down in Patagonia with Thomas Heaton and Brendan Van Son, and I'm sure it's gonna be an incredible adventure, but I'll be monitoring this course just as closely while working down there to make sure that those first 2 weeks are as successful as I hope they will be. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm gonna need some testimonials and some reviews of the course soon so that I can put those on the Teachable homepage, because this isn't going anywhere. Once the course is, the initial sale is done for 2 weeks, it's staying online for the rest of time, which is very interesting. There's a whole new world for me, but it's cool to be able to bring you along and share the journey with you. So I'll stop rambling. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video, and I will see you on the next one down in Patagonia.